In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate and share lists in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open a list, share it with the right people, and send it so everyone stays aligned. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Slack, then click the official Slack website to launch the app in your browser. If you prefer, you can also open the Slack desktop app directly. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace so you're looking at the lists and channels your team uses. Once Slack is open, navigate to the list you want to share. Lists in Slack are great for tracking tasks, ideas, or project milestones, and they live alongside your conversations, so context is always a click away. If you're not seeing it immediately, check your sidebar or use the search bar to find the list by name. When the list opens, take a quick moment to confirm it's the right one and that its items are up to date. This helps your collaborators jump in without confusion. Look toward the top right corner of the list for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Actions or Overflow menu. Click that icon to reveal additional options for the list. From the menu that appears, choose Share List. This opens Slack's sharing panel, where you'll pick who should receive access. In the recipient field, begin typing the name of the person you want to share the list with. Slack will suggest matches as you type. Select the correct person from the results. Double-check that you've chosen the right teammate, especially if there are people with similar names. If your workflow requires it, you can add more than one recipient by repeating the process. When your recipients are set, click Share. Slack will prepare a share card for your list. You'll typically see a short preview and, in many cases, a space to include a brief note so your teammates know why they're receiving it. Keep the message concise, such as what the list covers and what you want them to review or update. Finally, click Send. Your chosen recipients will receive the list in Slack, and they'll be able to open it directly from the message. Any updates you make later will remain synced so everyone sees the latest information. If you need to adjust who can access the list, return to the same three-dot menu to review sharing options. That's all you need to start collaborating confidently with lists in Slack.